What's your name?
Hi. My name is Lily. What's your name?
I'm Tommy. How old are you, Lily?
I'm 2 years old. How old are you?
I'm 3 years old. Do you know how to speak English?
Yes. I know a little. Do you?
Yes, I do. Do you like to play?
Yes. I love to play. What's your favorite game?
I like to play with blocks. What about you?
I like to play with dolls. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
No. I don't have any pets. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
I like pink. Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love drawing. Do you?
Yes. It's fun. Can you sing?
A little. Can you?
Yes. I can sing. Let's sing together.
Okay, la la la.